4 steps on how to change oil your motorcycle. Step 1, painitin muna natin yung motor. So, papainitin natin siya for 2 minutes lang and then after nun, proceed na tayo sa step 2. Step 2 is tatanggalin natin yung drain bolt and oil filter. So, since na-drain na natin siya, is ibabalik na ulit natin itong drain bolt and napalitan na rin natin yung oil filter. So, tara, kabitan natin. Kailangan malinis muna siya. Guys, isikitan na lang natin siya nito. Okay, yung last step is yung step 4 is bubuksan lang natin to. And then, lalagay na natin itong pang-change oil natin. So, yung gagamitin natin ngayon is Platinum lubricants, okay? So, once na ibalik